Good morning, class. Today we will learn a new topic, that is direct and indirect speech. Are you clear, class? So, my dear friends, speeches are mainly of two types. One is direct speech, the second one is indirect speech. What first one is direct speech and the second one is indirect speech. Are you clear? Suddenly a question arises into our mind, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Let's focus on direct speech. Let me explain first what is direct speech. When the speech is spoken by speaker directly, it is called direct speech. When the speech is spoken by speaker directly, it is called direct speech. Clear? So when the speaker is spoken directly, that is called direct speech. Let me explain by one example. Clear? So dear class, let me explain first by stating one example. Please have the look towards the blackboard. Pritam said, comma, within inverted comma start, I want to be a doctor, full stop, inverted comma, full stop. Clear? So here we found three things. The first one is Pritam. Who said? Pritam said. So Pritam is the reporter. Clear, class? Now said is the reporting verb. And what will be left? That means within the inverted comma, I want to be a doctor. That is reported speech. So in a direct speech, we found three things. In a direct speech, what do we find? What do we find? Who can say? Raise up your hands. So we found three things in a direct speech. First, the reporter. Second, the verb is reporting verb. Third part, what is the statement stated by the reporter? That is the reported speech. So reporter, reporting verb and reported speech. So after the reporter said, we put a comma, and what will he say? What will he say? That is in the inverted comma. So this is the main part and that is the subordinate part. In between main part and subordinate part, we found three things. One is the reporter, second one is the reporting verb, and third one is the reported speech. Clear? Now see, Pritam said, I want to be a doctor. This is the direct speech. If we change into indirect one, what will be happened? Now Pritam said that he wanted to be a doctor, full stop. So here what we change? Now we change many things. We just change many things. What are that? So this is the main part. Pritam said, main clause MC, and that is I want to be a doctor is the subordinate clause. First of all, we remove comma and inverted comma from direct speech. We remove comma and inverted comma. Then we put that in between main clause and subordinate clause. Remove comma, put that in between main clause and subordinate clause. Then we change the direct pronoun into indirect one. We change the direct pronoun. Now see, Pritam said I. Instead of I, we write here he. Clear? So when we change the present form, change into past. Want, wanted. Now all the remaining part will be same as it is previously. Clear? On the due course of discussion, we change direct adverb to indirect adverb. This, that, these, those, today, that day, yesterday, the day following, like this. Let me explain by another example. Suppose Rohan said, comma, I have done my homework. So this is the direct speech. This is the direct speech. The reporter reports directly here. The reporter, Rohan is the reporter, and said is the reporting verb, and this I have done my homework is the reporting speech. Reported speech. Reporter, reporting verb, reported speech. Here the reporter said directly, I have done my homework. This, when we change into indirect one, now first we remove comma from a main clause and subordinate clause. First we remove comma, put that in between main clause and subordinate clause. Change the direct pronoun into indirect one and change the direct adverb to indirect adverb. Clear? Now see what happened. Rohan said that he had done his homework. First we remove comma and inverted comma from main clause and subordinate clause. Then we put that in between main clause and subordinate clause. Then we replace direct pronoun to indirect one. Instead of I, we placed here he. Then change the verb into past verb. Then all the same thing will remain same. Clear? So dear students, now check yourself whether you are right or wrong. Let me explain one by one. The first one is Rakhi said, comma, I am happy. Second one, he said, I am busy. Third one, she said, I play football. Fourth one, the boy said, I sing a song. Fifth one, Rina said, I like mangoes. Now, as we know, it's your time to check whether you are right or wrong. Yes, Amyo, you stand up. First of all, you stand up and say, Rakhi said, I am happy. What? First, remove comma from main clause and subordinate clause. Rakhi said that she was happy. From simple to past, Rakhi said, Rakhi reporter, said reporting verb, am happy hela, I am happy hela, reported speech. Okay, so Rakhi said that she was happy. Good, sit down. Okay, Nigamananda, you stand up and say, he said, I am busy. What? He said that he was busy. Good, sit down. Yes, Akanksha, you stand up and say, she said, I play football. What? I can't hear. Say loudly. She said that she played football. Okay. Now sit down. Yes, Swagatika, now you stand up and say, the boy said, I sing a song. The boy said that he sang a song. Good. Now sit down. Yes, Rutuparna, you stand up. Rina said, I like mango. What? Rina said that she liked mango. So this is all about direct and indirect speech, and what are other particles that will be discussed later. So thank you all. This is all about direct and indirect speech.